Do you know the bike which coming with company fitted supercharger? So hey guys, welcome to Motorwings, and today we'll know about upcoming 2021 Kawasaki Ninja H2. Let's talk about the key specifications of the Kawasaki Ninja H2. The H2 comes powered with 998cc engine that produces about 1400 rpm, about 301 PS of power, and 165 Nm of torque at 12,500 rpm, fitted with a revolutionary technology of supercharger. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 gets the disc brake in front and rear and the curve weight of 216 kg. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 has tubeless tires and alloy wheels. Talking about the fuel tank capacity, it is about 70 liters and the seat height is 825 mm. For the new 2021 launch, the Kawasaki Japanese bike manufacturer has bumped up the power of the H2 and the H2 Carbon from 205 PS to 231 PS without the ram air filter. With the ram air, the power has gone up to 215 to an insane 243 PS. Peak torque has been increased from 133 Nm to 141 Nm. Other updates including the smartphone compatible TFT screen from the Kawasaki H2 SX and the all LED lighting unit from self-healing paint. The paint consists of soft and hard compounds that work together like a chemical spring, creating a trampoline effect and absorbing small impacts. The motorcycle also features Brembo style monoblock calipers holding 330 mm disc up front and better braking efficiency, and in the rear, other hand, it employs a 250 mm disc. The bike rides on a 43 mm fully adjustable inverted fork from Öhlins TTX336 unracked track with fully adjustable at the rear, and the Ninja H2 range and sold the country CBU route by Japan. Booking should be opened by October this year. Probably Kawasaki will launching 3 versions of the Ninja H2 lineup. It will be launching the base variant of Ninja H2, the H2 Carbon and the H2 SX, which is launched in foreign countries far sooner. Talking about these 3 bikes, what are the difference between the 3 lineup? The Kawasaki base variant or the H2 will be a sportier version and it will be having more upgraded features and it will be having more features to go in track riding. The H2 Carbon is the lightest one, having the carbon frames and all other carbon parts, and it will be more suitable for racing. And the Kawasaki H2 SX is a more companion to touring version. If you like riding Busa, it will be mainly the competent for the Hayabusa, so Indian market can hold that bike for competing against Busa. So what will be the price? The price will be around rupees 35 lakhs to 36 lakhs, and going about the launch date, according to the research I did, it will be launching around October 2021 and the booking will be starting from next year. And what type of bikes is Kawasaki Ninja H2 competing with? Really competing for the Kawasaki Ninja H2 and the H2 Carbon, the S1000RR and the newly launched M1000RR. And competing against the Kawasaki Ninja H2 SF is the newly launched 2021 BS6 Suzuki Hayabusa. To see the full review of the newly launched Hayabusa, please click on the I button blinking on the top right hand. If you like this update on the new Kawasaki upcoming H2, please comment down below which bike do you prefer, the Hayabusa, the S1000RR or the H2, Mighty H2. If you like this type of informative videos, please like, subscribe and ring the bell icon down below.